Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar. We will be switching to Google Calendar in order to make things a little easier for everybody, hopefully. Our new timekeeping program called ACE Project does not have a very good calendar portion, so hopefully this will help keep everything organized. What you're going to do is on your front page, if you're in Google, you'll come up to this little box here, and you'll go to Google Calendar. You can also type in google.com/calendar and it should come up. You can view the calendar different ways: day, week, month, and some other ways. We're going to look at the month. The calendars I have up, we have Nusura Travel and Time Off Calendar, and our regular Nusura calendar, which shows projects, tasks, etc. By clicking on this, you can just see a certain calendar. Let's say you just want to see the travel time. It's a little handy, so if you make your own calendars, I have quite a few, I can add whatever things I want to see and make them disappear. To add time, all you need to do is click on the date you want to add. So type in the description. Usually I like to put in the initials of the people, especially for travel time, initials of the people. So let's say KB/Emily Norcross, where they're going, we'll say San Francisco, and what job it is, EBPC. Make sure you click on the correct calendar, which this one is Nusura Travel Time. And then you can either just create event or edit the event. Usually I like to edit the event. This allows you to put the event over a few days, a few hours, however you need it done. Up here, if you want to do it all day, you can click, let's say, through the 20th. That'll show an all-day event. You can type in location here if you want. More information, the better. You can add any notes you want. And change the color. Travel, I'd like to keep purple. You can show it yourself as available or busy. You can make it a public event or a private event. And you can add people if, let's say, I want to add Emily so she knows when we're going to be traveling. You can invite others. You can let them, your guests can see the guest list. If you have this unclicked, then your guest, Emily, cannot invite other people or see the other guests that might be coming. I think the default is invite others and see guest list. You can even let them modify if you choose. You can add other people too just by typing in their name and selecting add. And then when you're done, just say save. If it's over multiple days, it'll show purple over those days. Let's create an event just for a single time period. Again, we'll just put in test. This time we're going to put it to the Nusura calendar and say edit event. Let's say this is something, let's say pay bills. Let's say this is something I do every Friday. You can click the repeat button, and it has a lot of different options. You can repeat weekly, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, monthly. We'll say monthly. You can select the day or the day of the week, so you can say like the last Friday of the week. And you can select a time when it ends. We'll say it ends on 12/31/2020. If I create this, it'll have this event listed every month on the last day of the month, or on the 16th of the month, until 2020. Then you would say done. That'll show for the whole day, but let's say it's just an hourly event. You can click off the all day and just type in a time of the event. The time zone always defaults to where your computer is at, so mine is in Central Time. However, the people in Mountain Time will see it as their time. So you can keep it on the time zone that you're in, and other people will see it in the time zone they are in. Oops. This will come up in green. You can also have tasks. If you want to add tasks, you can come over here. If you want to add tasks, you can come over here. I have a task calendar that I created. And you can say add a task, add a little plus. And say pay bills. Call Patty. Whatever you need to do for the day. Reconcile. And this will show up on your task calendar for today. And as you're done, you can click them off. It's another little handy feature. There are also ways to share your calendar with your mobile device. If you go to Settings and Sync with Mobile Device, it'll come up with some information. So I suggest you look at this individually and see which device you need to sync it with. But this way, when you're looking on your calendar on your phone or your tablet, it'll come up automatically with the new information. If you have any questions, let us know. It's a work in progress, so hopefully it'll work smoothly. Thanks.